What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I want to take this time to say thank you, right? I wasn't going to put out any type of content, but I feel as though this is the only video that's really necessary to make. Today is my birthday, so happy 35th birthday to me. Um, but I wanted to just say thank you to everybody that is a part of this channel. If you're a subscriber of old or a subscriber of new, um, even if you're a person that was a subscriber and isn't, right? If you're a person that has supported my channel in any way, shape, or form, I want to say thank you, right? Because I think of everything that I've been able to gain over the last 6 years, 7 years, if you think about the time where I wasn't monetized. Um, it's just been amazing, life changing, something that I don't believe I would have gotten without this, right? I wouldn't have been able to get to where I am today, do the things that I want to do today without YouTube and without your support. When I first started out on YouTube, getting 20 views or even, less, 10 views, 50 views, 100 views, um, may have not seemed like a lot to some people, but seeing it and noticing that 100 people is a lot, whether it's 100 people from my state or my city, or whether it's 100 people all split out in different spots. It's a lot of people. And it wasn't even for the dream to be able to make this a business. It was about just talking about investing. It was talking about credit cards. It was talking about budgeting and all of the sort. And when I would talk about those things, I would get like 100 views. At max, I would get like 1,000 views. And it really wasn't about that. It was about the comments that I would get saying, "Hey, this is what I think about this credit card. You really helped me out on getting the information that I needed." Or an investment strategy. You supported me in talking about this play, and now I'm very confident in what I own. Like, there's so many great comments that came across, and bad comments. Of course, the internet is full of good and bad comments, but if you have thick skin, right, you can get past those bad comments and see the good ones. But to not get off track, I really just wanted to say thank you because you guys have given me something that not a lot of people get in life, and that is time, right? My child asked me, or Harper asked me, um, Dad, if you could get one thing in life, what would it be? And I think she was asking me that because my birthday was coming up, so she was trying to figure out what she can get me secretly, which is an interesting strategy. um, but when she asked me that, I said time, and she was like, "Well, I can't get you that, or that can't happen." Right? Still trying to be a little secretive. And I was like, I'm serious. That's really the only thing that I want. Like, I don't want all these material things or anything like that. Yeah, it would be great, to be able to play a video game from here and there and all of that. Play golf and new golf clubs, all that stuff. It's always interesting to have that stuff, but it's not something that I necessarily need or want or ask for if I want one thing in life. Time is it. And the reason why I say that is because you guys have given me time. Most people, most parents have to work 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day. And then a lot of times when you own your own business, you're working nonstop. But I get to have that time with my kids to focus on basketball, to ask them how their day was, to be there, to drop them off at the bus, to also pick them up from the bus stop, right? To see their friends and their relationships and their sporting events, not miss a single one, be a coach within those sporting events, and just be present. That's what I've been able to be given. And it's all because of what we've been able to build here. Not saying that I don't work hard, not saying that I don't have time away from the kids. It's just I have more time to do things with them because I can work from home. Yes, it takes time to really come up with a video strategy or a video topic and script and then put that onto paper. But we found a better process to really put that out faster. And it's given me that time. The support on YouTube has just been amazing. Throughout the last 7 years, or let's say 5.5 that I've been monetized, um, I've been able to make over 400 or close to $400,000 on YouTube from ad revenue. That's not even counting the other stuff that you can gain, right? From investing, from affiliate links, and all the above. Recently, throughout the last year, maybe year and a half, majority of the revenue would come from outside sources, not just from YouTube. But you guys have been able to give me the platform to get to that stage. And if I just had a 9 to 5, yes, I think I still have the know-how to grow so much and be able to be in a good spot financially, a great spot financially. However, I still would have been missing one thing: time. 9 to 5, or depending on the level of your career, you're staying there for 10 hours, sometimes 12. I know people that will spend so much time at work, they barely get to spend time at home. They barely get to be home for dinner. They don't get to ask their kids how their day was because they don't have time to do that. They just get that information from their significant other. And that's not the life that I really wanted. I never wanted that. I always wanted family to come first. Or this cat. I always wanted family to come first. And I just want to say thank you over and over and over again. I honestly can't thank you enough. Every single person has contributed to what I've been able to do, what I've been able to gain. And I'm so excited every day to get up here and do this. Now, recently, I've been trying to support family, fix up a house for my mom, and I haven't really been as active on YouTube with live streams and videos. And I know people want me to be active because this is the time where people need that support. They need to know what's going on and what my mindset is, and I understand that. And I'm sorry that I'm not more active. I plan on being very, very active as soon as I get this house finished or up to a point where, it's every place is fully livable. Right now, we're redoing the kitchen. We did all the floors for the first floor and second floor. We just need to do the stairs, the kitchen, the appliances, the walls. We need to do all that stuff. So it's definitely going to still take a little bit of time, but I will try to be as like active as I can on here for you guys that do rely on this for any type of information. But I did just want to take the time out of my day this morning on my birthday to say thank you. Thank you to everybody that has supported me and helped me through this journey. And also, if my management company is watching, thanks to you, right? Thank you for what you've done. Um, in a time where it felt like I was close to giving up on this stream being the support, they really got me to a place where I can be a lot more comfortable. And yeah, I mean, thank you to everybody that's involved in this. And also thank you to my wife and kids for just even being there and being that driving force to make me want to push forward, you know? Um, so yeah, just thank you. That's all I have to say. I hope to see you in another video, maybe tomorrow, in the comment section. I hope in a live stream. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.